Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa. I got a Happy Mail package here from Kiwi Lane. I went ahead and opened it because, as you know, I'm having a hard time with opening packages, but I didn't take out the stuff inside yet. So I'm going to take the stuff here with you. So just taking out the inserts, the packing list, and then here you go. Oh my goodness, there's nothing else in that box now. See? Let's take out all the paddings and inserts here, and here's the fun stuff. Oh my goodness, I ordered a lot of kits for you guys. Beginning with a card kit called Thinking of You. And here I'm showing you the layouts that you can do with it. And those are just a sample layouts. Then we have another pocket page kit called Seize Today, and this is what you can do with them. Then I have some scrapbook layout kits that I ordered. This is the Shining and New. Here are the layouts that you could do with them and the colors of the papers. Next one is Cheer. This is so cute. I love this kit. I love the colors of this kit. Anyway, Cheer. It's your day. So this kit is great for birthdays and any other celebrations and everyday layouts. Then we have a Blushing Love, and this is the last kit I ordered. And of course, based on the name, it could be used for wedding, engagement, or anything that has to do with love. Here's another package. This was a surprise package because I was surprised. I didn't order this, but my friend Carol from Oakland surprised me with this, just here visiting with me, and I got this package in the mail. And oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this. I don't even know what it is, but look at it. Well, I don't know here what it was because, again, I didn't order this, but taking it out of the box and and then now I'm opening it because, you know, I have a hard time opening stuff. So I just went ahead and opened that box, and I figured I'll just open the actual box of the product right here. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my goodness. The website there will show you how to create the items in this kit. So first off, the first thing I saw and felt, by the way, are this intricate edge die cuts. Look how it is. I'm gonna have to take it out of the package here to show it much closer to you guys. And then, oh geez, they only came with two dies, but the stuff that you can do with this, look how intricate this die is. Wow. And then the second die is the happy birthday or sentiment die that we could use. And here you go. This kit, by the way, came from Crafter's Companion. This package here that I just opened is the die cut package, and there's two of each design in this package. Look how cute they are. I'm loving the colors. So Crafter Companion, from what I understand, is an English or British company. And oh my goodness, talk about beautiful. Look at that, guys. I have plenty of sentiments and embellishments that I can use. And speaking of embellishments, look at this mulberry paper flowers or paper roses. Comes in three colors. This first one is, oh my, it's cute yellowish beige. The next one is coral. The flowers are about an inch in diameter, but it is, I'm not an inch, but half an inch. They are so cute. Now there's the pink one. And then we have the coordinating ribbons, both in an inch and half an inch. Then we also have the coordinating flat back pearls. And then look at how many different kinds of cards with envelopes or card bases with envelopes that came there in there. So hopefully I'll be able to video at least one card that I'm gonna make with this kit. Then there's this rub-on, cute. This is the cardstock pack, and I didn't open it, but you can see the different colors, coordinating colors that comes with it. I'm more excited, I should say, about this paper, pattern papers. I want to see the designs, because if the die cuts were the, you know, what do you call that? It gives you an idea what's in the paper. So there's one. There's four to a design. I'm sorry, guys, I can't talk. I'm so excited. Anyway, here's the second pattern. It is so gorgeous, so elegant, isn't it? So my friend ordered this through HSN. Oh my gosh, it's the third one. Look at it. I love the detail, the lace detail on the side. And then, like I said, there's four to a design. Oh my gosh, I was so floored when I got this. Carol is actually visiting me from Oakland, and she's with me right now. We are going to a mermaid crop, and we are so excited. Oh my gosh, and look at this last one. So cute. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up, share, and please subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.